So in the last class, we discussed about, the organization structure and assignments. Okay. So we have defined the company code, plant, store location, purchase organization, sales organization, distribution channel, shipping point. Even, we have defined the warehouse, WM warehouse number, HDW, and we have assigned this WM warehouse number to plant and store location. So in HDBP, Bangalore plant, I have 4 store locations: AFS, ROD, consumables, PRD. Okay, so out of these 4, I have assigned 3 store locations, that is AFS, ROD, and PRD. Okay, I excluded consumables. And today I'm going to discuss about the EWM organization structure. Okay, let me share my screen. So what is the EWM organization structure? EWM organization structure is warehouse number, storage type, storage section, and storage bins. Okay. Structure. Okay. So warehouse number, storage type, storage section, storage bin. Okay. So first define warehouse number. Okay. So I'm going to define the warehouse number first. Okay. So how to define the EWM warehouse number? Go to SPRO, reference IMG, SCM extended warehouse management. So whatever EWM related things are there to configure, we have to go to SCM extended warehouse management. Okay. So go to extended warehouse management. Again, extended warehouse management. In this, we have master data. So in the master data, define warehouse numbers. Okay, just execute, click on new entries. So my warehouse number, I'm going to create as HDEW. HDW is my WM warehouse number. Now this is HDEW. So description, I'm going to put it as, what is the description we have given? Himaja, right? Himaja. EWM warehouse. Hinduja, right? Yeah, Hinduja. Hinduja EWM warehouse. Okay, just enter, save it. So this is the warehouse. So this is the whole warehouse. Okay, I told you like the structure is first warehouse number. Okay, this whole is a warehouse, that is warehouse number. Storage type. Storage type is a subdivision of warehouse where we are going to put the material. Okay, so staging area also one storage type. Work center also one storage type. Final storage types, doors, everything we are going to consider as a storage type. Okay, so warehouse number we have created as HDEW. HDEW. Now the second one is define storage storage type. Okay, so these final storage types I would like to create. Okay, so HD01, like this I'll create HD01, HD02, or like HD10 I'll take. Okay, that will be HD10, HD20, HD30. Okay, so these are the three storage types I want to create my warehouse. Okay, so go to, once you save this warehouse number HTW, come back. Now go to define storage types. Okay, define storage types. So before that, once we define the warehouse number, we need to copy from standard. Okay, but we don't have anything over here. So to copy, go to cross process settings. In the SCM extended warehouse management, in the extended warehouse management only we are. Okay, go to cross process settings, copy warehouse number customizing. You have to go over here. Okay, so just check what is the source warehouse number destination. So source, I'm going to take it as 0001. So what is that 0001? So I'm going to copy to HDEW. So put like this, and we have a copy button. You have to click copy button. There is already data for the destination warehouse number. Do you want to continue and override this data? I'll say yes. Okay. Please be unmute. So now it is copying all storage types, sections, WPT, all these things, which is copying from the standard warehouse. Okay. So here, copy from 0001 standard warehouse. So it is copied. Okay. Now it is copied. Now create the storage type. So to create the storage type, SCM extended warehouse management, master data. Okay. Here, define storage types. So we have, what is our warehouse now? HDEW. If you see these many storage types already here, how we got it? Because just now we have copied this HDEW from 0001. So the moment I copy, all the storage sections, storage types, WPT, other things, all stuff will be copied. Okay. So now I have this many. Now I want to create HD10, HD20, HD30. Okay. So I can create by new entries, or else I can copy the existing one and create the new one. Okay. So I will take these and I'll click on copy to create the new one. So I'm going to take HD10. Okay, HD10. So this is HD10 IRAC storage type for HDEW warehouse. Okay, enter. Save it. So I copied HD10 from standard. Now you can select HD10 and copy to HD20. So I am going to create HD20 now. HD20 IRAC storage type. Enter. Save it. I'll take HD20 and copy and create HD30. This is HD30 Hierarchy storage type. Save it. So HD10, HD20, HD30. So these are the three storage types, final storage types are created. We can create work centers, we can create staging areas, we can create doors, all the things we can create. But as of now, I created only final storage type HD10, HD20, HD30. Okay. Now, if you go to detail of this particular storage type, click on the details, you will find all these fields. So what is the importance of all these fields? Almost 60 plus fields we have. So I'm going to discuss this thing. Okay, after 2-3 classes, I'm going to discuss what is the importance of these fields. Okay, after 2 classes, I will discuss. Okay, what is storage type role? What are the options are there? Okay, if I select blank, what is going to happen? If I select F, what is going to happen? Okay, so like this, we have almost general settings, put away control settings, stock removal control settings, goods movement control, replenishment. Okay, so these are the control parameters of storage types. So we are going to control, okay, put away, removal, goods movement, general settings for the particular storage type. Okay, so this will discuss after 2 days, no problem. So these are the 3 storage types we have created now. So after this, now I'm going to create the storage sections. So I told you, like, as per the business attributes, warehouse manager is saying, divide this storage type into sections. Okay, he's saying like, fast moving section, non-moving section, slow moving section. Okay, fast moving section, every time he wants to put in the down level so that easily he can pick and fulfill the orders. Slow moving in the middle, non-moving rarely monthly once or twice he is going to pick with the help of ladder or some forklift. Okay, that NMS. And I'll take HD20 only one section, that is total section. HD30 also total section. Okay, let's create define storage section. Click on new entry. Warehouse number is HDEW. Storage type. What is our storage type? HD10. So in the storage type, I'm going to create as fast moving section. Fast moving section. Then again same in HDW warehouse. HD20 slow moving section. In HDW, HD30 NMS non-moving section. Enter, save it. HD10, 20, 30. Okay, in that, sorry, I need to create in the same section. Okay, HDW in same HD10 non-moving section. In HDW in the same storage type, slow moving section. Okay, just enter, save it. So in the same storage type HD10, I created 3 sections: FMS, NMS, SMS. These are the 3 sections. Now assume in HD20 and HD30, business says only one section. Okay, so HDEW in HD20 only one section. I'm going to delete as 0001 as total section. HDEW in HD30 0001. This is also total section. Now one interview question. Okay. Is it mandatory to have the storage section in a storage type? No. Without section also, we can create the bin. We can, execute our scenarios. We can do our operations. Storage section is not a mandatory thing. Storage section is not a mandatory thing. Okay. So in the WM, for picking, storage section was a mandatory. But in EWM, for put away or to pick, storage section is not a mandatory thing. Okay. If business asks you to define, then you have to define. Okay. Save it. Or else if they say like the scenarios, some of the products it should not be mixed. Okay, they have like different type of products needs to put in different sections, then that time you have to create the storage sections. Okay. So this I'm going to copy, Control Y. Storage type also completed. Define storage sections. So what is the storage types we have created? HD10, HD20, HD30. So on the organized structure, warehouse number created, storage type created, storage section also created. So our warehouse is HDEW warehouse. Okay, so these are the storage types: HD10, HD20, HD30, and the sections are non-moving section, slow moving section, and fast moving section. Next, bins. Okay, so bins we have to create. So first of all, what is the definition of storage bin? It's the smallest addressable place in the warehouse, which is going to have the unique identification number. So I'm going to put away or pick the material from the bin. So where exactly I'm going to put the pallets or HU or product into the place, that place we are going to call as a storage bin. Okay, so I want to create the storage bin. So before creating the storage bin, you have to understand few things. Okay, storage bin. Assume this is a storage type. Okay, in the storage type you have all these bins. Assume this bin is HD10-01-01-01. HD10-01-01-02. Okay, like this we have bins. Okay, so each and every bin which is going to have the size. Okay, so size, when I'm talking about the size, it is going to be in length into width into height. So this is the dimension we are going to consider: length, width, and height. That is the bin size. Okay, so for the bin size in the EWM, we have a special terminology called storage bin type. The terminology we call it as a storage bin type. Storage bin type. So in short form, I will call it as SBT, storage bin type. If I say storage bin type, means it's a size of a bin. So in this storage type, assume this is a HD10 storage type. In this, I have all bins with same size. Okay, assume the size is 1000 centimeters into 1000 centimeters into, okay, 1000 centimeters. That is nothing but 1 meter. 1 meter height. So 1000, 1000, 1000. 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Okay, assume this is the length, width, and height. Now the second, this is the first storage bin type. This is in the HD10. Now I have another storage bin type in HD20, that is like one a same again, 1 meter into 1 meter into 2 meter. So this is the one I'll take in meters only. 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Okay, so this is the different size, and I have one more size, that is 1 meter into 1 meter into 3 meters. So here only the height is changing. Length and width are same for all the storage types. Okay, but height is changing. So I can denote as 1 meter height. This is like 2 meter height, and this is 3 meter height. So what I'll do, I'll create the storage bin types as H1, H2, H3. So H1 denotes the storage bin type of 1 meter height. H2 denotes the 2 meters height bin. H3 means 3 meter height. Okay. So first of all, we need to define this. Okay. Let's save it, come back. Here, after define storage types and section, we have storage bins here. Okay. So here, first one, define storage bin types. Okay, that is what I'm creating. This is the size of a bin, SBT. Click on new entries. Here, what is warehouse number? HDEW. Storage bin type I'm going to create as a H1. So this one I'm going to give it 1 meter height bin. So I'm not going to consider about the length and width, because all the bin sizes length and width are 1 meter only. The only height is deviating here. So 1 meter height, 2 meter height, 3 meter height. So what is the maximum weight you want to maintain in this particular bin, in 1 meter bin? Suppose if it is 100 kgs, you can give 100. What is the value? Length, width, height, the unit, everything you can mention. So just I don't want to complicate, because sometimes if any pallet or product is coming, it is going to stop. So simply I'll put the description. Okay, just enter. So the moment I enter, system has taken weight unit kg, volume unit M3, unit, this is for meters, system has taken. So in by default for this warehouse, we have this unit of measurements. So since we copied from 0001, these are the unit of measurements already copied to my warehouse. I will show you from where we got this. Okay. As of now, just save it. So H1 we have created. Now click on next entry, create the second one. It's not necessary you have to take always H1, H2. Whatever the nomenclature you want, you can give. Okay. Then next 2 meter height bin. Enter. Save it. Then next entry HDW H3. This is like 3 meter height bin. Enter. Save it. So in my warehouse, I have created 3 storage bin types, 3 size H1, H2, H3. It denotes 1 meter height bin, 2 meter height bin, 3 meter height. Save. So here I'm going to write define storage bin types. Control Y, copy. Okay. Okay. Next. So now storage bin type is fine. The next one is the structure of a bin. Okay. So how many ways we can create the storage bin? How many ways we can create the storage bins? So we can create the storage bins in 3 ways. In 3 ways, we can create the bins. Okay. So first one is through bin structure. So to the system, I am going to give one structure. So based upon that structure, system has to create the bins. Bin structure. The second one is manual creation. Manual creation of bin. The third one is upload the bins. So that Excel sheet we are going to upload. CSV file basically. Upload the bins through uploading to. So these are the 3 ways, 3 methods we have. We'll see one by one. So first we'll see bin structure. Okay. So the bin structure, basically how it is going to be. Assume I have a rack here like this. This is one more rack. Okay. So these are the racks are there. This is the bay. This is the bay to move forklift. Okay. So this is the racks. Okay. So if any forklift goes inside, left side and right side, both sides, the pallets products he can put away or he can pick. Left side he can pick, or in the left side he can put away. Right side also he can put away, pick. So wherever this forklift goes, both left and right side it is going to pick and put away. Okay. So now this distance or gap between these two racks we call as a aisle. What we call aisle. The gap between two racks. So this is the aisle number 1. This is aisle number 1. This is aisle number 2. Aisle number 3. Aisle number 4. Aisle number 5. So in this, assume like these all belongs to one storage type. In one storage type, I have these many racks. Okay. So my forklift can go to A1, aisle number 1, aisle number 2, aisle number 3, aisle number 4, aisle number 5. So total how many aisles are there? 5 aisles. After that, I have stack. Stack. Okay. So stack means height, horizontal. Okay. So this is stack number 1, stack number 2, stack number 3, stack number 3. So this is like, it is not horizontal, it is vertical. Okay. Vertical thing we call as a stack. and we have level. Level means horizontal. Okay, so just I will show you one diagram. Okay, let's take this example. Yeah. So here racks are there. Okay, so the gap between these two racks we call as AL number 1. Here, for these two racks, there is a gap to enter the forklift. So here forklift can go. So stack is mean this height one. So this is the first stack, second stack, third stack, fourth stack, like that. Okay. Please don't consider this stack 01, stack 02. So this is the height. In the first stack, 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. This is the first stack. In the second stack, 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. This is the stack. This is a vertical thing. And level means horizontal. This is the first level. 1, 2, 29, 5, 6, 27. In the third level, 9, 10, 25. Can anybody tell in the fifth level what are the numbers are there? In the fifth level.
17, 18, 20.
Very good. 17, 18, 20. Okay. So now, can anybody tell me 29 number is in which stack?
Third stack.
Third stack. Very good. 1, 2, 3. And what is the level of this 29 number?
1.
Level number 1. What is the AL?
First
A1.
tail.
AL also 1 only because this is the first tail, right? So the AL is 1, stack is 3, and level is 29. Now you understood. Okay. So the stack means vertical, level means horizontal. So level is going to denote the height. Suppose this is very high, so human being cannot, pick the material from 17. He can pick from 1 and 5. Okay. So this is the thing. See, this is the example. So this is the AL. This is the gap between two racks. Okay. So this is the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level. Okay. First level, second level, third level. And these are the stacks. Stack number 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. So like this, we have the racks. Okay. Maybe we have small sizes, big size of the bins. So here forklift is going to pick from left and right. Okay. So now we understood what is AL, what is stack, what is level. Now one business manager or the warehouse manager is saying, I have a storage type where my ALs are 5 and my stacks are 5 and I have 5 levels. 5 ALs are there, 5 stacks are there, 5 levels are there. So system is going to create how many bins? Can anybody tell? How many bins will have with this structure? 5 ALs, 5 stacks, 5 levels. It's 125. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, that is 125. Okay. So number of ALs into number of stacks into number of levels, that is, we are going to get the bins. Okay. So this structure information we have to input in the system. Okay. So that system will identify this AL, stacks and levels, and it will create the bins in a single click. So in this case, 125, assume we have a business case like, 10 ALs are there, 10 stacks are there, and 10 levels are there. Now, how many bin system is going to create?
1000.
1000. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. So system is going to create 1000 bins. Okay. Now let's do that structure. Okay. Save it. So define bin access type. I'm not going to discuss now. We'll see later. Define storage bin identifier for bin structure. So please go over here. Go to position HDEW. So AL ID I'm going to put it as A. Stack ID I'm going to put as S. Level description as a L. And we have bin subdivision and depth. So sometimes in the bin also we are going to have the bin depth and subdivision. So for that we are going to take these IDs. A means L, S means stack, L means level, B means bin depth, D means depth. Okay. B means bin subdivision, D means depth. These are the identifier. It's already there once we copied from 3001. Okay. Now go to define storage bin structure. Click on new entry. So HDEW, this is my warehouse. Okay. So after HDW, structure, start value, end value, increment, like this we have. First of all, I'll take start value. So warehouse manager is saying he is asking to create the bin nomenclature like this HD10-01-01-01. So in this first 01, HD10 is a storage type, 01 is the first L, 02 is the second L, second stack. This is the stack. 01 is the L. The next 01 is stack. Last 01 is level. So how we are defining like HD10-LL stack level. Like this we are defining the structure. Okay. So assume he is saying 10 L's are there, 10 stacks are there, 10 levels are there. Total 1000 bins needs to be created. If it is the first bin, what is the last bin then? HD10 10 L's are there, right? So 10 dash 10 stacks are there, 10 levels are there. So this is the first bin and this is the last bin. You're getting my point? So first 4 digit denotes with the storage type. Then the 01, first 01 denotes with the L. Second 01 denotes with the stack. Third 01 denotes with the level. So this is the start. And the end is 10, 10, 10. Okay. So this is the information I'm going to input. So HD10-01-01-01. And end value is HD10-10-10-10. So this is the starting value, this is the end value. So total 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000 bins my system should create. Okay. Okay, next. So we are going to go with the structure AL, stack, level. So first 5 digits are like blank. HD10 means 4 digit and dash 5 digits are empty. So I'll take 5 digits empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, LL space SS space LL. So if you see here, HD10 dash means 5 digits are empty. I'll take 5 digits empty. Then 01 is the LL. Dash means space SS then LL. So like this you have to. The next one. So these values, start value, end value. Here, HD10 every time it is going to repeat. So this is a constant value. And this dash also it is going to repeat as a constant. But this 01 02, 03, 04, 05 up to 10, this value it is going to change. That is like, number. So for constant, I'm going to put C. For number, I'm going to put N. So HD10 is constant, right? So how many digits? 4 plus dash is 5. So 5 C's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 0102 means number, 2 digits, NN. Dash means C, then NN. C, NN. Then last, all blanks, I'm going to denote with C. I repeat once again. HD10 dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are, it is constant. Every time it is going to become like this. So 5 C's. After that number, the AL it is going to change from 01 to 10. So that is number NN. The dash means C. Again, stack 01 to 10, it is going to change NN. Then dash means C. Then level 01 to 10 NN. The remaining all blanks, I'm going to put it as a constant. Okay. Now increment. So 1 value should be increment for the AL, stack and level. So first 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as blank. Then 01 blank, 01 blank, 01. So like that, you have to take the increment. So this is the structure, bin definition structure. Okay, X, Y value, Z value, this is the XYZ coordinators. It is going to tell you the exact location of that bin. Okay, magnitude value. Okay, so what is the increment from the GA zone or GA zone? Okay, so these are the elements. So mainly it is going to help in the labor management and graphical layouts. Okay, so I'm not going to give anything over here. Let it be. So this particular structure, I'm going to maintain in which storage type? I want to put it in HD10. So what is the section? In FMS section, I'm going to maintain. So with what storage bin type? I have 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. So I'll take 1 meter H1. Okay, that's it. Enter. If you want to maintain the maximum weight of this particular storage types, you can maintain. Volume also maintain. Total capacity also can maintain. Okay. As of now, only I'm giving storage type section and storage bin type. That's it. And save it. Okay. So only structure we have created. We haven't created any bin. Okay. Now come back and see this is the details. Go to the details. Check once again. Now I want to create these bins in a mass way. In single click, 1,000 bins needs to be created. So what is the T code to create this mass bins? Okay, through bin structure. Create bin through bin structure. The T code is //SCWM/LS10. This is the T code. //SCWM. So all our EWM transactions, which is going to start with //SCWM. This is common. Okay, LS10. Enter. So which warehouse it is asking? I am saying this is the HTEW warehouse. Okay, so this is the one I am looking for. HD10H1, right? Select the line item. So you have different storage types. Okay, so we have to create for HD10. Take this line item, go to the details. So check whether the all details are correct or not. Yes, HD10 FMS H1, that's fine. Now I want to go to environment and click on create bins. So to generate 1,000, so system is going to create these many bins, 1,000 bins. So as per our structure, the first bin SD10-01-01, 01-01-02. So 10 else, okay, 10. Then it will go to the second stack, third stack, like that. Total 1000 bins will be there. And clearly you can see if you take this bin, okay, 01 means first tail, 06 means sixth stack, 09 means ninth level. Okay, so this is all information you can see. Okay, so total 1000 bin system is going to create. So to create the bins, you have to go to create button, click. Do you wish to create the bins? I'll say yes, but system is not going to create the bins now. Why? Because we have to have a supply chain unit for this warehouse. So that is a mandatory thing. Okay. So if we click yes, system is saying assignment of warehouse number HTW not maintained, error during bin creation. So tomorrow I'm going to discuss about what is supply chain unit, party entitled to dispose, owner, custodian, these terminologies, why we have to create, how we will assign, these things tomorrow we'll discuss. So once we assign the supply chain unit to warehouse, system will allow to create the bins. Okay, so currently we are getting the error. Any doubts, any questions? Section name not required to unique. It's not necessary. Anything you can see for better understanding. I'm taking like fast moving, slow moving, non moving. Whatever the name they want, they can put. Okay, or else they can denote with the 001, 002 also. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see supply chain unit creation, party entitled dispose, custodian and owner, and we'll assign that things to warehouse and we'll create the bins. Tomorrow we'll complete the manual creation, bin upload also. Tomorrow bin creation will be completed. So till here, whatever we discuss, please try to practice in the system with your own, organized structure setup. Don't do anything in this HDW. Okay. So please, do in your otherwise, if you are going to do, if you do mistake, you are going to delete the things. Okay. Please don't do anything in HDW. Create your own organized structure, warehouse. Okay. Create your own storage types, sections, and bins. Okay. Please clear your fees and get the server access. Yeah, Niranjan. Your voice is very low. No. Can you talk a bit louder?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Guys, can you hear him? I can't able to hear him.
No, not
No,
able to hear.
no, we are not able to hear you.
No.
Hello.
Can you ping so that I can answer? Yeah, sir, please confirm once again the increment. Increment here, suppose I want to increment two values. Okay. 01, 03, 05, 07, 0. That is two increments. I'll take 02. But my increments are always from L1, L2, L3. So one increment is happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means. So here stack also one increment. And the level also one increment. Okay. If business says 5 increments, 01, 06, 011, and 11, 16, like that means increment is 0. Y is used in multiple by L, stack, and level. Aha. Okay, don't multiply. You count one by one. Okay. From here to here, you count. Not tell me how many bins we are going to get. Okay. So go to the structure once again. Go to environment, create bins. So these all bins, whatever it is showing, right? Just to count one by one and let me know how many bins are there. Don't multiply. See, the trick is like, AL stack level, if you multiply the same number, we are going to get as a bin number because length and width. Okay, so that is the thing we are going to take it into consideration, right? So no problem. Just you count these bins and let me know. So system is going to get 1000 only because we know how many ALs are there, how many stacks are there, how many levels are there. Okay, so 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10,000. That is a simple trick. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah,
How do I have one question?
yeah.
There is any limitations to create warehouse numbers in EWM
There is numbers or bins.
in the warehouses in EWM?
No limit. Any number of various numbers you can create. System will allow.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have one question. That we have defined the height of the wind. So is there any way that we can mention the length and width?
Yeah, we can. See, in future scenarios, it is going to stop. Okay, so that's the reason I am not taking. In real time, you can mention height, length, width. Okay, suppose you are bringing some HU which is more than 1 meter. Obviously, system is going to throw the error. Okay, so just I want to go with the happy path scenarios. Okay, now the maximum length of a bin is 20 digits. Okay, 20 digits is the maximum length of a bin.
So
Okay.
is this the same position where you maintain the height? In the same step, we can maintain the length and width, or there is any
Yeah,
other
we can
setup is
maintain.
required?
We can maintain length, width. In the storage bin type, we can maintain SBT.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys.